Hi YouTube viewers, today I'm sharing with you my yard sale haul. I got up early today in the morning and I went to so many yard sales. I just followed all the signs that I saw. But anyway, I only spent like about $10 in a few things, and I'll show you what they are. The first one is this one here. To me, when I saw it, it looked like a house. Okay, but I believe it's used to put a plant in here. It has a lock. It's made out of wood and you can open it. So I believe it's to put a plant in there, a decorative piece. And I saw all these openings and I just thought it was so nice, like to put miniature pieces in it. And what I did was the stuff that I have for the outdoors, like the doghouse, the grill, the patio set, all these things, I put them in there for now. And when I get bored of what it looks like, I'll just rearrange it. Maybe I'll put I'll make a bakery in there, the miniature bakery, or a thrift store. Maybe I'll do a little thrift store with a lot of different odd items. So that was that, and I bought it for $4. So I think this is something you find in like Home Goods. You know, you put a plant in there and all that. So $4, not bad. And then I bought these other items here. A whole bunch of napkin rings. Napkin ring holders. Let me see, the nicest ones were these. There's a whole bunch of you in here. There's like 30 pieces. And they, believe it or not, they were $1 for the whole thing. They came inside this box. The box I didn't really care for, but I'll do something with it. But all these napkin rings, all of them for $1. That was very good. And when I see one of these, I see a lot of things. I see night tables, maybe for a bedroom, or the middle table for a living room, or it can be a light fixture. You can put it on the ceiling like this and then put a light right under, making it look really nice. Or you can put a plant in there. There's a lot of things you can do with these. Or you can make columns to divide a room. If you're using you know, like walls to divide a miniature dollhouse, you can also make columns and put them in one big room, and it just looks really nice. So anyway, and plus I can use these for my own at the table. So that's that. And then these are really miniatures pieces that I was looking for, stuff like this. So this is a whole like tea set. It has a whole bunch of pieces, and I got this for $1. This little box with the cover and everything. That. $1 for the whole thing. So I think that was really good. And let's see what else. Oh, these. These are pins. They're very nice. I even bought one that I have here. But I'm using it right now, so I just found these very interesting. I'm not sure what I'll do with them, but I know the ones that are like these, they're kind of old. Maybe I can use them in the miniature house bedroom as a frame. So anyway, these were actually, the lady said they were $1, but when I took a few of them and I asked the other girl, and she told me, oh well, take them for 50 cents each. So I ended up getting them for 50 cents instead of the $1 each. So that was good. And then these here, these are grommet pieces. I believe they're used to reinforce pools and plastics, you know, and all that. So these were all 50 cents inside one of those. Oh, let me see. Maybe I have it here. I'll show you. This is it. They had $1 in there, but I got it for 50 cents. It's a grommet kit, 1/2 inch. But these, you can do so much with this. These can be plates for the dinner table at the miniature dollhouse. They do look like the other miniature pieces that I bought. So they blend in. There's a lot you can do with that. So anyway, so that was my my yard sale haul today. And oh, let me see this too. Forgot about this. Jumbling Tower, a game of strategy and nerves. And this is a box. I bought it for $2. And it's a whole bunch of even wooden pieces. You can also make a lot of stuff with this. I mean, I can make fireplaces for the miniature dollhouse. A whole bunch of things. So right now I'm not doing anything with them, but I'll do something with them. So, and I'll put it up and I'll post it on YouTube. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the miniature yard sale haul.